Hello everyone, in this video I will show how to remove rear headrest Skoda Octavia 3rd generation. Okay, then push and lift up. Then and push and lift up, push and remove, then and remove rear headrest. If you enjoyed this video, click like and subscribe.